I always dream of being a wife and a mother. I used to lay in the grass and envision my husband and my children for hours. This may seem or sound very silly, but I did that. Yes, I did. Now, dreaming is all well and good, but the reality is something very, very different. I vividly remember being pregnant with my first child. I was in awe. I am going to be a mother. I was so excited. It seemed so unreal, but so exciting and so fulfilling. It's like, finally, I am going to do something that most women can do. I felt so elated. Then something came over me. A good thing. I became a fierce mother hen. Yes, like a mother hen with chickens. I became exactly that. It seemed laughable, but it's the honest truth. This baby in my belly that was growing has suddenly become my whole life. And everything else was very irrelevant. I just wanted to ensure that my child got the best in life no matter what. Now, 5 children later, I'm still a first mother hen, and I love that mother hen because this mother hen is me. My children know Mama got their backs no matter what. My kids and my husband have a joke in our family. When they were kids, they always say to kids who bother them, "Don't bother us because our mother is gonna come for you." And yes, she will come for you. And she does not joke. And our mother is a crazy lady. We always tell these jokes when we have friends and family over. And my husband always chime in and say, yes, my wife is crazy when it comes to her children. Don't mess with them. Looking back, years later, I realized that being a mom is a long-term journey, full of joy, sacrifice, love, and patience. I think you enjoy your children and the process when you put all you got into raising them, no matter what the situation, the circumstances, doesn't matter what is going ahead in life, because those little precious beings are your responsibility, and you just want to make sure they're healthy, happy, and just doing well. You tell yourself that these children are my loves and my total responsibility, and you just make life happen for yourself and for them. And I know you can do it because you are born, you are created by the Most High to be a nurturer. And for you moms out there who think that you can't do it, that you're feeling so overwhelmed, I believe in you, just like I believe in myself. You will make it. All of us moms will make it. Look inside of you. Search deep inside your heart and your soul. And you bring out that nurturer. Bring out that loving, caring, capable woman. And just do it. Yes, you can. It may seem like a heavy load to carry. It may seem that sometimes life becomes unbearable. It may seem that nobody is behind you. All those things are sometimes possible. But you are a strong woman. You are made to do this, and you can do this, and you will do this. Okay? So, as a mom, I am out here cheering for you. I strongly believe that the Most High gave you all the necessary skills and insights to do this job of mothering. And yes, you can do it well, and you will do it well. I ensure that my children know that I'm here for them in all stages in their life and will always be by them fighting the battles of life. Come what may, rain or shine, I will always be their mom, and I will always put my best foot forward, like they say back home in my country, to ensure that my children achieve and do and be the people that they were created to be. Every year I pick dandelions. To some people, they are a nuisance, but to me, they are not. They give me a sense of pride. They make me believe in things that I don't believe in. It may sound crazy or seem crazy, but when I look at the dandelion, I see myself. The dandelions, every year, they come back, no matter what, and they spread themselves up. They spread themselves in all different areas of your lawn, all different areas on the side of the road, but they are there. They come, they flourish, they flowers, they send down roots, and they do their thing. And every single year they come back and they do their thing, no matter what. Every year you would see dandelion in abundance. So when I look at the dandelion, I look at my life, I look at myself, and I say, I want to be a person full of knowledge, full of understanding, full of tenacity, to do my thing, no matter what people may think, no matter what the weather, whether it be good, whether it be bad, whether people are trying to stop me. I gotta do my thing every day, every moment, every year, every week. I just gotta keep going, and I gotta do my thing. Okay? So every year I pick dandelions and I make beautiful things from them. I make oils, I make soaps, I make salves, I make hair wash, I make hair rinse, I make face scrubs, I make face powder. But while I'm crafting all those stuff, I am being greatly inspired, because I am deepening my life and I'm making it better, and I'm also inspiring myself. A plant is actually inspiring me. Find something today that inspire you.